Liani. Eyelash Chaser.
Search up, man.
Yeah. Walk with the trap. Girl, I said it in tough.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ashley Liani, and in today's video I will be doing an unboxing video, and I will be unboxing these lashes that I got from KC Republic. KC Republic is a small beauty company that is owned by two sisters based in Florida. So if you guys would like to know more about these lashes that I got from KC Republic, definitely stay tuned. KC Republic was nice enough to send me over some eyelash extensions. What they sent me was an eyelash extension kit and natural organic eyelash extension glue remover. And in the eyelash kit comes the lashes itself, which ranges from 8mm, 10mm, 12mm, and 14mm in a C curl, because you know there's different kinds of curls when it comes to Mink Lash extension. It also comes with the eyelash glue. It comes with supplies, as in like the scissors, tweezers, things that you would need for application. It comes with a primer, so you use the primer to cleanse the dirt off your eyes, you know, that's what that's for. And it's so cute because everything comes inside of a travel case. So if you want to travel with it, you can just pick it up and go. Like if you're going on vacation and you want to make sure you have all the things you would need, just in case you so happen to need like a fill-in, you can just pick it up and take it with you to go. Now they also sent me the organic glue remover, but that is not included in the kit. You would have to purchase it separate. So I'm just looking at my phone and I'm trying to read you some information about the product, like specific information. So like I said, the single Mink lashes range in 8, 10, 12, and 14mm in the C curl. The eyelash extension glue, it claims to have long hold extension glue retention power, and the hold lasts up to 4 weeks. For the eyelash supplies, it comes with the eyelash extension cleanser, precision straight and curved tweezers, toolkit, and pink faux snakeskin case. So for the lash care primer, it removes dirt, oil, and makeup on the natural lashes. And then the clavic, the what? The what, Ashley? The travel case, I don't know how I don't know. The travel case is a clear plastic bag that velcros to the bottom of the bag, easy to store contents into travel with. And so for the eyelash glue remover, it's organic, so it has no harmful chemicals. It breaks down the glue bonds and lashes slide off without breakage. So I would like to see how that works, because every time I only got lash extensions one time, and I'm not gonna say they ripped off my lashes, but I'm gonna say they ripped off my lashes because it did. KC Republic Natural and Organic Eyelash Extension Glue Remover removes glue bonds quickly and without harmful chemicals that can cause breakage and dry out natural lashes. Safe for sensitive eyes. Ooh girl, because I got sensitive eyes. My eyes always watering, so that's good. Will not harm eyes like other glue removers. Natural organic compounds conditions lashes. Has a 3-time strength to break down the strongest glue bonds to easily slide lashes off while conditioning natural lashes for a soft, subtle, healthy look. Fast action, so breaks down glue bond in 1 to 5 minutes naturally. Use tweezers to lift false lash off natural lash, and micro brush, aka the disposable mascara wands. That's what I'm assuming it is, because that's what all lash extension lash technicians use to slide it off. It's that easy. Keep your natural lashes intact. Odorless and clear. Clients will be happy to know you use an organic glue remover that is odorless and safe to use. So I'm guessing that's directed towards the lash technicians. This kit is for lash technicians and for personal use if you are that good. If you like to do stuff on your own like me. Removes glue bonds. Well, duh, it's a glue remover. Removes all eyelash glue, false lash day glue, and eyebrow extension glue, offering quicker and more efficient lash removal while making your work with the clients even more time effective and easier. With that being said, with all that information that I just gave you guys, let's open up the package. So I already cut open the box because I didn't want to do it on camera. And it's so cute. Look at it. So this is the travel case. It says lashes and cosmetics. It has a cute pink bow on it. So it says that the bag is Velcro. So I'm looking at it and you can see it opens. Ooh. And then this is the clear case it was talking about with all the products. Woo. So it's Velcro on the bottom of the bag. And of course the stick right here. And then I have, oh, this is the remover. So this is how it looks. This is how the packaging looks. On the back it says, this oil-based adhesive remover is specifically designed for dissolving professional lash and brow glue. Makes removal a breeze. And then it has directions. And it's so cute. It comes in like this little, like I have to rip it to open it. Let me just open it. Just take out the glue. So this is the packaging of the glue. And here's the clear case. So I'm just gonna open this up. And the first thing I see are the box of the Mink eyelash extensions. Ooh. Let me just take everything out. Then I have these disposable mascara wands. I also have the travel case with the tools, you know, the tweezers and whatnot. The eyelash glue. It comes in the same packaging as the remover. Let me just darken this a bit. There you go. So it's the same deal. I have to open that up. And the last thing for me to take out, you see it's empty, it's clear, is the eyelash cleanser. So it says eyelash cleanser for all skin types. Let's just see. Oh, this is for when you have like mascara and stuff on your lashes and you want to clean them. Gently removes all traces of dirt, oil, eye makeup, and mascara. So, oh, I think they did something here, because when I got my lashes and I just went to the girl to do it, and they were bomb. They came out real good, but I couldn't wear any facial eye makeup around it because I didn't want to, you know, risk my lashes falling off. So this is great. Lightweight oil-free cleanser for lashes. So it doesn't have any oil in it, so that's good for the lashes because oil actually makes your lashes not last as long. So let me just open up the box of the tray of lashes. So as promised, it comes with 4 cases of lashes. This is the 8mm. Can you see that? And everything is individually packaged. These are the 8. $10mm, 12mm. You see they keep getting longer. The 14mm, which most likely is the one I'm going to be using, because as you guys can see, I like long dramatic lashes, so that's how it will be. Oh my gosh, there it goes. I'll probably use the 12 and the 14. And then it has 2 different sizes of mascara wands. Here it goes. It's these little short ones and then these big ones. Let's see what this eye glue is about. Okay, so it looks like nail glue. It reminds me of the bottle of what like nail glue comes in. Then it has directions on how to apply the adhesive. It says apply glue to the base of the false lash. Attach the false lash to the natural lash. Wait 2 seconds for the glue to bond and dry onto the lash. Hold the lash in place until the glue is set. Once the glue is dry, move on to the next lash and repeat until all lashes are in place. The dry time is 1 to 2 seconds. This cute case that the tools come in. So it looks like this. It's faux snake skin, so it's not real snake skin. For you animal lovers. And then inside it comes with a brush. It comes with a pair of scissors. Oh, that's a better angle. A brush, pair of scissors, and then it has the curved tweezers and the straight tweezers. And then the pouch itself has like this cute little mirror. So cute. Let me tell you guys how to use these products. So what you would do is you would apply the glue to the base of the lash, attach the false lash to your natural lashes, wait 2 seconds for the glue to dry, and after the glue dries you can move on to the next lash. Now remember, these are eyelash extensions. They're not strip lashes. They're not individual lashes that you can get at the at Ardell. These are single eyelash extensions. So you're applying these one by one, or if you're a professional and you know how to fan those type of lashes, the single mink lashes, then you can fan your lashes and apply them. And that's all that's to it. Now with the remover, to remove the lashes, it says, to begin extension remover, apply a small amount of eyelash remover onto the micro brush. Gently coat extensions with remover. Leave on for 2 minutes. The extension lash will start to slide off and break down the glue adhesive. Go back and forth from eye to eye, sliding the remover from base to tips with the micro brush. After extensions have been all removed, use warm water and towel to wipe away excess extension remover. You can now reapply extensions. So, simple 1, 2, 3, all you need is time and patience. Casey Republic was also so kind enough to send me a code for you guys. So if you purchase these products, you can get 10% off. So I'll have the code right here, and I'll also link it down in the description in case you didn't see it. So I just want to make sure you guys know that you can get 10% off these products using this code here, or here, or here, wherever I put it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please stay tuned for the next video. Bye.